Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the environment. Update Chrome and close other heavy apps so Windows or Mac OS has free RAM. Once done, open Chrome, / extensions and Chrome, / settings to act immediately. You'll disable or remove non-essential extensions and stop background apps from running. Make sure to keep only one active profile while you trim tabs and extensions. That reduces duplicated processes. This first pass is fast and decisive because memory savings come from cutting. You now attack the middle. Remove or disable every extension you do not actively need, because each one runs as a separate process and consumes RAM. Once cleared, enable automatic tab discarding so Chrome suspends idle tabs. Go to Chrome, / flags, or use built-in memory controls to activate discarding. You should consolidate many tabs into one window and use pin tabs sparingly, since fewer renderer and GPU processes mean less memory. Keep checking Task Manager to confirm memory drops as you proceed. Finish by restarting Chrome and measuring results in Chrome, / memory, or the browser Task Manager. You'll see freed RAM if prior steps worked. If memory still runs high, make a fresh user profile and migrate only bookmarks and passwords to avoid hidden extension or cache bloat. Make sure to test with hardware acceleration off if rendering processes spike. If things go wrong, disable extensions one by one to find the offender. This targeted elimination usually reveals the culprit quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.